Hello friends! Join us on an adventure to Dhuandhar Falls. It is located on the Nauka River in Bhedaghat and are 30 meters high. The Nauka River, making its way through the world-famous marble rocks, narrows down and then plunges into a waterfall. It took about 45 minutes to cover the 20 kilometers stretch to the place. We arrived, parked near the entrance, and moved inside. There is a huge market of handcrafted goodies in the entrance area. We saved the shopping for later and headed straight in. The ticket counter staff were on break, so we thought of having a quick lunch. The restaurant didn't seem much hygienic, so we managed with Maggie. All set to explore, the roach costed us 145 rupees per person for two-way ride. Two of us into a little box, and the ride started off casually, people walking below. Slowly the river approached. The water roared down in a misty cascade, both gorgeous and intimidating. As we crossed over the river, the sight was jaw-dropping. It's no wonder this beauty is world famous. On the other side, we were offered a car ride to see the famous marble rocks. And we couldn't say no. It costed us 100 rupees for the ride. We reached the destination in 7 to 8 minutes. The driver was also a tour guide to us and was with us throughout. Here is the place where a rough map of India can be seen from aerial view. These stunning white marble cliffs glisten and in the sunlight, a natural masterpiece that starred in several Bollywood flicks. After exploring the place, we returned to the waterfalls. A roofless car ride on a windy day is an experience that blends a raw connection with the environment. We grabbed some juicy fruits from local vendors, so refreshing after the ride. Then, we got up close to the mesmerizing waterfall. It felt unreal, like stepping into a postcard. Standing with the mist on our faces and the thunderous sound filling the air. This is what world-class beauty looks like. After returning via the ropeway, it was shopping time. The handicraft market was a treasure trove of marble creations. We were about to head back when a shopkeeper insisted us not to skip the boat ride. It was getting late, but we couldn't resist. We told our auto driver to whisk us to the boat ride area B, which was 5 minutes drive from the place. The boating area was also filled with shops of different handcrafted articles. Two options awaited: a quick 20-minute motorboat or a slower, longer ride. slow boat looked a bit too scary to us. So we picked the motorboat, 100 rupees per head. The ride started and believe me, it was best decision ever. It was pure magic, gliding through calm waters with towering beautiful white pink marble rocks on either side. It was so serene and surreal. Our boat guide shared tales of movie shoots and stories here, adding a Bollywood sparkle to the already breathtaking scenery. Every rock had its own story that people believed. The area also contains blue and brown colored marble. The most beautiful time for boating is during Purnima. With the day winding down, our driver suggested a quick stop at a temple on the way back. The temple is an 11th century temple. It is on a hill of about 100 feet in height, with 100 steps to climb up to the entrance. Despite our tired legs, we climbed to reach the ancient gem. The temple is formed by a circular wall with 65 chambers, apparently for 60 for Yogini and the goddess Devi. Some statues were damaged during invasions and religious conflicts. There is an open mandapur in the center of a circular courtyard, sacred to Shiva. It was a great adventurous day. Exhausted but buzzing with joy, we returned. On the way, you can find a fun restaurant where you can book the seats online and enjoy sky-high dining. If you're craving a getaway that feels like a world apart yet is right in India's heart, Jabalpur is it? We finally returned to our hotel at around 6:30 p.m. Videos of our next adventure in Jabalpur will be coming soon. Stay tuned.